long for this. It's a big deal. And I have to say, I probably had been talking about big deals for at least a month, and I was like, it's a big deal. And then somebody explained that means before it's gone, because it's limited in quantity and limited in price. And of course, we know our Temp-tations, well over 20 years on the queue. These are fiber optic flameless candles that are amazing. Big deal price will save you $10 and you get 3 of them for that price. 4 easy pays at $11.24.
Well, hi there, friend.
Tara, you never cease to amaze me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the holiday edition.
Hello, everyone. Love being here.
Thank you for coming here early and sharing these.
Of course, are you kidding? As we're wrapping up our Christmas in July, we have been very, very busy.
Oh, yeah, I
love that we are ending with, of course, our fiber optic candles. And I want to brag on these a little bit. First of all, first time we've ever done the graduated sizes of your 5, your 6, and your 7-inch. And fiber optic actually allows them all to twinkle. So unlike just a steady flameless candle, you'll start to see that these lights cascade and cover the entire 360 degrees of that beautiful candle. Only 2 AA batteries, and it has the timer. So what's nice about that, turn a 6-hour timer, turn it on at 6 o'clock at night, every night, and every night they will greet you as you come home. They each come in a gift box. You can break them apart or keep them together, but each one is more magnificent. We're looking here at what we call our holiday. This is those iconic scenes that we remember growing up, whether it be Santa by the Christmas tree or that beautiful sleigh or that gorgeous Christmas tree with the cardinal that I do in honor of my father. Yeah, so this one is called Holiday. Okay. Next door to Holiday is actually what we call our classic metallic. This is that classic silver and gold. This is that really beautiful upscale kind of decorator color. And there you can start to see all of them twinkling. And we'll slow them down in a little bit, but just to kind of give you the look. Here we have our poinsettia. That's going to be your classic red and green. There you can truly see how all of them are twinkling, how the lights are going in and out, and it's cascading. Each one has the red cardinal, which I do in honor of my father. And Scott just said most popular. I knew when I looked at that, I was like, that one's going to fly It's stunning. And we have them all around the set. Then I love also the snowflake. So if you want this all winter long, all season long, these are various shades of gray, from your charcoals, your dove grays. Limited already. I'm not surprised. Only 1,200 remaining. Oh, wow. Imagine that in January or February when it's dark and March, it's gloomy. When we get that last snowstorm. Yes, exactly. This looks absolutely beautiful, but do tell us about that one. And then this is just cute overload, right? These are our characters that you've been collecting, our iconic characters for well over 15 years at this point. We have our gingerbread, we have our snowman. Santa made the list this time. We have, of course, Wimbley, our reindeer. We did Elfberti, our cute little collab with Alberti. And these have all of those C9 bulbs wrapped all around, and everything is really flickering and coming to life. This is called our Winter Whimsy. And they come in this lovely box. You can obviously store them. I would say, if your budget allows, to get a set for yourself and then get a second set, because you're not going to be able to go ahead and gift these at all, because they're that good. Real wax? Yes. Any fragrance? No fragrance. Real wax. You have that ensconced tip. So again, it also looks like that real life flame. So whether you're tucking these on your mantle, I love the graduated sizes. Of course, super sweet for the kids, and they're safe, right? There's not real flame there, but you have that gorgeous detail and all of them coming together and twinkling. That's what we love about the fiber optic. There you can see, look how beautiful the greens, the reds. That's our poinsettia. So that's going to be our true classic. And I love that. I've never seen a candle like this before. Well, fiber optic, right? It's very different than what you see a traditional glow, right? Yeah. These ones actually twinkle. So they take those designs and details and they bring them to life. Wow. Do you see how it goes in and out, darker, lighter, all kind of rolling through a cadence of light that brings those patterns to life. Look how beautiful this is. This is one of our holiday. Quickly. 2,000. This is a big deal before it's gone. And I know, because Lisa was sweet enough to check in with me this morning, and she said, you know, this has already been popular because it went up online and you guys found it. And I was like, what do you mean? They're already shopping for it. I need this in my show. And there you can see, I mean, we have these nestled all around the set. That's the beauty of it. You can use this to decorate with real greens if you're someone who decorates with real greens. These are definitely indoor candles.
candles.
Yes, exactly.
They look amazing, all the different things that you did, from our faux garland from yesterday to tucking them in nooks and crannies. You could use them in a bathroom as a nightlight, so on and so forth.
Love that.
3 gifts here if you want to, and they're different sizes for $44.98. Each one is a 3-inch diameter, and that was purposeful.
Yeah, so that they could fit on, or, you know, our typical holders that so many of us have. Tuck them in some of the lanterns that maybe you've purchased, and that again just gives it that elevated, elegant look. What I love about these also is that when they're not on, they're still as beautiful. So you have all of that multicolors, all of those gorgeous facets. Look at him. Wimbly. I designed him after my dog. So I have, I have an Aussie Doodle named Jackson, and he talks like that's Jackson. Exactly. But whether you're doing whimsy or you're doing that upscale, I love that there truly is a design for everybody. They're, of course, layered in with our home sign, and you can start to see how these pieces have become collectibles for over 21 years.
Wow.
We've been sharing this amazing brand with you.
And you keep getting better and better somehow.
And we keep trying. But here's what I wanted to show you. I slowed them down just a little bit to kind of show you. And I don't know if we can bring the lights all the way down, because the twinkle really is what brings it to life. But look at this. This is our smallest one, and that's going to be your 5-inch. There we go. Now you're really going to see the magic.
Oh,
all
perfect.
of them
Thank
twinkling. You. Thank you guys very much. All of them really coming to life. That is the beauty of that fiber optic.
We're crazy busy right now. If you put them in your cart, please, 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 please check that out. Don't leave them in your cart. How many did you just say, Scott? Close to 4,000.
Wow, thank you, everybody. Wow.
Close to 4,000.
Wow, wow.
Can we go through, Tara, and update everyone on what's available so that we don't frustrate
and I'm going to take one off the
you?
spinner so that you guys all don't get dizzy. But I did just want to show you how magical they are. All right, so do you want me to start over here, Pat, with what
if you don't mind, please.
Of course, our holiday, those iconic scenes that we all grew up with, the beautiful Christmas tree, the sleigh with all the presents, and then, of course, the sweet little Santa by the fireplace. And remember, each one comes gift boxed. So there's our holiday. Next door to our holiday.
600 remaining in the snowflake.
Ooh, we're on tonight, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe I'm going to have tonight off. Just kidding. Then, of course, we have our metallic. So this is not something we can do in our stoneware, but it is something that we can do in our accessory pieces. So that gorgeous silver and gold twinkling of those iconic flowers you've been collecting for the last 21 years.
And here's the other thing, you know, we just sold Luminara the other day. You can mix these in with your solid Luminara. I think that when I think I have a ton of ivory Luminara, you could go ahead and pick up any of these sets, and that would give that a refresh for you.
Beautiful idea. Then this is our poinsettia. This is your classic, your red and green.
Most popular.
Each one has the cardinal on it. I'm going to spin him so that you can see the cardinal right there in the center. So I did them so the graduated sizes, each one has that beautiful cardinal. So we always say when cardinals appear, angels are near. So if there's someone that visits you that way, like my dad, this is a fun gift to give somebody.
2,100 remain in your poinsettia.
Then, of course, our snowflakes. So this is all season long, all of those beautiful grays, your charcoal to your dove gray.
Absolutely gorgeous. All right, 400 in the snowflake. If I disappear early, you know what happens.
Wait till I show you the table we did with all the snowflake. And then this happens to be my fave because they're super fun. All of our sweet, all of our sweet little characters from our gingerbread. Each one has a dual character on each side, so you don't have to choose, and you're getting all of them. And what I was able to do was light up all of those C9 bulbs so that they actually look lifelike on those candles.
Amazing. 1,400 remain. All right. 5,000 have been ordered. Can we take a quick trip over there?
Can I just show you this?
Because I passed by this and I was like,
before snowflake sells out, this was one of those things. Whether you have our chargers, our dinnerware, our napkins, if you're able and your budget allows to pick up 2 sets, look how beautiful you can cascade these. You don't even need to add food, right? I'm happy. I'm just going to sit at this table.
Amazing.
We can eat some snacks.
Let's have
But again, look how beautiful. And notice you have the graduation of light from here all the way down to the base, and then those fiber optics throw up and twinkle all of that beautiful detail that brings that beautiful pattern to life. 2 AA batteries, 6-hour timer. So I tried to think of everything that I love when I'm putting out my flameless candles. And again, that beautiful little wick here, all ensconced in that plastic as well.
One last trip through what is being offered because we are super, super busy. If you can download our free app, QVC.com, or the app, go ahead and put as many as you want in your cart, but make sure that you check out because they'll disappear. Close to 6,000 now. Half the quantity for the day is already ordered ordered and will continue to be ordered. So we'll start on the end. Remember, you get 3 of these and you get the box for storage or for gifting.
And it would have been so simple just to do a plain Jane box, but everything matches and coordinates back, just like Temp-tations. Here is our holiday. Those are your iconic 3 scenes. Next door to your holiday is going to be our beautiful metallic silver and gold.
And I have holiday 2000 remain. If the snowflake sells out, I mean, the metallic is equally as beautiful.
Same silver colors there, but you have a pop of gold as well. Then, of course, here we have our sweet poinsettia. Each one's going to have a cardinal in a different stage on the candle, so when you're layering them all out, absolutely beautiful. Love that.
1800. The snowflake is already gone. Thank you so much for your orders on that.
You're going to love the snowflake.
Yes.
And then last but not least, the fun of our whimsy, all of our characters. I could see this in the kids' room with your grandkids. These become traditions that you look forward to taking out year after year and warming the room with beautiful light.
Oh, and classic metallic, there's 900. These are flying out of here. You get all 3. You get the coordinating box for $44.98. $11.24 will get this home unless you use your Q card. Then you can have 5 easy pays. Tara, I saw earlier items recently on air. I saw the spoon rest. We're on with Julia.
Yes. We're busy.
You are busy.
So good to see you. Thanks for having me this morning.
Of course, it was my pleasure. Thank you, thank you. Well, you can find more Christmas in July sale right there on QVC.com. I will also let you know, we'll continue throughout the day. Anything you buy as a gift has the holiday return policy. I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Somebody bring me coffee on QVC2. That's where we'll continue with more July, Christmas in July. All right. David is coming up next. Can't wait to see what he has. Enjoy your day, everybody.